Hello everyone, it's me, Nikki B, and for today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you some of the personal criteria that I use in choosing a decent laptop for those who'd like to start their work from home journey as an Amazon seller virtual assistant like me. So if you're interested with that topic, then keep watching. Hello again everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nikki B, and I vlog about freelancing, health, and lifestyle in general. So, if interested kayo sa isa sa mga topic na nabanggit ko, then consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest upload ko. Before we get started, I'd just like to give a disclaimer out there na I'm not a super techie type of person, and what I'm about to share with you are based from my experience and a little bit of research. So please do take my word with a grain of salt and do your own homework as well. So now that's out of the way, let's get started. When it comes to buying a laptop, I take these three factors in consideration. It's the price, the specs, and the design. So let's get started with the price muna. Maganda kasi na i-set nyo muna yung budget kung magkano ba yung willing kayong gastusin. Generally speaking, laptops are more expensive than desktops just because you're paying for the convenience, its portability, but a downside for me is hindi siya ganun ka-flexible when you want to upgrade that in the future. So, on the other hand, if you have a limited budget, going for a desktop is your best bet kasi in 20,000 pesos, you can already have a good setup. And ang maganda nun, kapag nakaluwag-luwag ka na, pwede mo na siyang i-upgrade to a higher specs later on. So now, let's move on to the specs naman. Again, I'm not gonna dive deep into this topic just because, again, I'm not an expert, but as an Amazon seller virtual assistant who trains other VAs, gusto kong bigyan to ng emphasis kasi yung mga napansin ko sa mga VAs na tinetrain ko na hindi kasi equipped yung laptop nila with the right specs kaya hindi nila ma-run ng maayos yung mga pinapa-install naming programs and software for them to do their job. I mean, more effectively. Yung ano rin kasi performance ng laptop nakaka-apekto rin yung sa pacing ng training pati rin sa productivity ng VA kaya ito yung mga sa tingin ko na makakatulong sa inyo para mas makapag-deliver kayo ng maayos na results sa mga future clients nyo. So, the first one is the CPU. So, the CPU is the logical, kumbaga sa utak ng tao is the logical part of the brain that processes and analyzes the data that we put into it. So, ang common sa market are i3, i5, i7. So, if you're a VA, kasi may mga VA ako na encounter na hybrid, na they just don't do admin tasks, but they also do graphic design, Photoshop editing, Illustrator, yung mga ganong programs. I would suggest at least i5 yung core. Pero if basic lang naman yung mga programs na i-run nyo, it's okay na ang starting point ang i3. So kung yung CPU ay logical part of the brain, yung GPU naman or yung graphic processing unit is the creative side of the brain. So as an Amazon seller virtual assistant, hindi kailangan mag-focus or hindi kailangan ng mataas na or high-end na graphics card yung meron yung laptop mo. So now let's move on to the RAM. Common is 4 gig of RAM na kasama sa mga laptops. So okay na siya. Enough na siya for a VA job. But if you want a faster, smoother processing, yung hindi naglalag, yung hindi nag-slow down, okay then mag-upgrade to 8 gig, which is ganun yung ginawa ko sa akin. And lastly, for the storage, 1 terabyte HDD, yung iba kong nakikita, puro ganun na. It's also okay for an Amazon VA job. But if marami kayong i-install na program, if marami kayong dina-download na files, work-related, and personal use na medyo mabibigat. So, di ba kapag medyo malapit ng mapuno yung storage capacity, dun yun na rin na-experience yung paglalag ng laptop. So, you could also upgrade that to an SSD. I can only attest to my experience na ever since I switched to an SSD, bumilis ang boot up ng laptop ko, smoother ang transition, even if multiple programs yung nag-run and all. And lastly, for the design, this is highly subjective. Ako, since I also work with a lot of spreadsheets and mga data documents, I prefer one with a screen, at least 14 to 15 inches. Yun. And for the battery life naman, for me, okay na sa akin minimum na 4 hours battery life. Pag medyo mamamatay na siya, saka na ako lilipat or lalabas ng bahay at maghahanap ng co-working space or cafe kung saan ko pwede ituloy yung work ko. And what else? With the weight, nagko-commute kasi ako. So, para sa akin, yung weight matters para hindi ganun kabigat dalhin when you're traveling around. Saka, pag nagta-travel din kasi ako, dinadala ko rin yung laptop ko. Like, when we went to Japan for 9 days, syempre, ayaw mo naman matambakan ng emails, saka gusto mo kapag may emergency or urgent na tanong yung client mo, pwede mo agad siyang ma-access. And the laptop I've been using for 5 years now is the Lenovo G50. Hindi ko naman to promote, pero ang laki rin tulong niya sa work ko. Nung rare job tutor pa ako, yung specs niya, mataas talaga para sa nature ng work ko. Kasi we just call lang naman, conduct the lessons on Skype. But now that I switched into this kind of opportunity, working as an Amazon seller virtual assistant, dun ko na-realize na tama pala na nag-invest din ako sa magandang specs na laptop kasi nakapag-transition ako ng mas mabilis and mabilis kong natutunan yung mga pinapagawa sa akin just because naki-cooperate yung laptop ko. Hindi siya naglalag, hindi siya nag-hang, hindi siya nagka-crash. So, kung may budget kayo, kung kayang pag-ipunan, I would really suggest na you invest in mid-range to high-range kind of laptop. Pero yun nga, kung hindi naman lahat may budget, hindi naman lahat ready to shell out a huge sum of money, para sa akin, okay na yung i3, at least 4 gig of RAM, and okay din yung 1 terabyte na HDD for the nature of our work as a VA. So basically, that's it for today's vlog. If you found this video helpful, then consider giving it some love by clicking the like button below. And if may mga suggestions kayo para sa mga kapwa natin VAs about this topic, then feel free to comment that below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So again, this is Nikki B wishing you success in your work from home journey. And I hope every one of you watching here and your family are safe amidst the crisis, and hopefully magkita-kita tayo ulit next time para sa next vlog ko. Thank you and bye!